New one for you here, guys. Hermes H24. I didn't really have this on my radar, but probably like half of you, I watched Jeremy Fragrance and he won't shut up about this. So I figured, you know what? Poppy's gotta try it. So I got one. Let's give it a shot. Kind of neat. I guess you can refill this. Like some of the other popular ones nowadays. Not bad. So, what is this guy? Is this an eau de parfum? I don't know. No idea. Let's keep opening it. We're gonna give it a sniff, see what it smells like, see how it lasts. I'll come back later, give you more of an update. A nice glass bottle. Hermes H24. Very simple, just H24 on it. No other branding except the Hermes logo on the bottom there. Got this metallic top. Not a mag cap. I'm really spoiled by these mag caps lately. Those are fun to take off. But a nice metallic cap. Let's give it a spray. We're gonna wear some as well. But let's get a first impression here. Oh, that's different. Very metallic. A little floral. It's very similar to like a shaving cream, like a traditional shaving cream you might get. At least that's what I'm getting from it. Oh, that's good. But it's simple. There's not a lot going on. It's fresh. It's kind of refined, if you will. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna wear that for a few hours here, let you know how it performs, if it changes, what's going on. I'll come back and let you know. It's been a day, and I still don't know what to think about this one. I didn't wear it today. I wore it yesterday. You saw me put that on. About 3 or 4 hours later, you could still smell it. It was dying down a bit, but I could tell just after putting it on, the projection of that was insane. It was, I could tell probably everyone could smell me walking around. It's very strong, especially if you're putting 2 sprays on there. I don't know what to think about it though. It's so potent, but also kind of boring. It's very green, fresh, metallic. I don't know. I don't know what I think about it. It's unlike anything else I own, so I will give it that. It's good. It reminds me of like an aftershave. I feel like my grandpa used to wear this. Like, that's the vibe I get from it, but fresher, if that makes sense. I don't know, guys. Go try it. Go smell it. Let me know in the comments what you think. H24, Hermes. Are you a fan? Are you not? I still don't know what I am, but I figured I'd let you guys try to sway me one way or the other. Again, I'm Poppy. This is Poppy Style. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more like this. Let me know if there's any other scents you want to see me try. I really appreciate it. You guys take care.